Going on YouTube, back at it with another video in the Hellcat. Look at this. We're here at Myrtle Beach. Finally, beach is right there. Look at this, palm trees. This is nothing like where I'm gonna be shortly leaving from Illinois. I'm telling you, it's woo! We're here. We made it, bro.
We're here, man.
We made it. Look. I tell everybody when I come here, or I tell people about Myrtle Beach, and I tell them this is the craziest thing I've seen here in Myrtle Beach. I've never seen anywhere else. So like, there's tons of mini golf, right? Look at this mini golf. It's like, crazy. We got the Hellcat here. What? Why are we in eco mode? There we go. What do you think, brother? We made it.
We made it, man. We made it.
All right, so we set up the electric for the store. Now we're off to get the keys for our store location. Gucci's not even seen it. What do you think's gonna happen, man?
I don't see the business location.
See how big it is?
And we're gonna be like opening it up.
Open up. Open up shut! This is it. This is where the business will be. A decent size, like I said, it's not like crazy big, it's not crazy small. A lot more modern. Look how nice these floors are in it. It's a nice view out here. There's Gucci. Nothing better than a Hellcat. Let's see how worn out these drag radios look. They're looking worn out now. Almost there. It's just so hard to believe to be like in the ocean with the Hellcat. It's a reality. It's here.